Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Manipur visit. Now let's take you through the details. Just a short while ago, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a gathering in Churachandpur as he called Manipur the land of courage and bravery. He also emphasized that the Indian government is taking all the possible actions to bring normalcy and peace back to Manipur. Remember, this is Prime Minister Modi's first visit to the state ever since ethnic clashes broke out in 2023. Now, while speaking at the Peace Ground, he laid the foundation stone of multiple developmental projects worth over 7,300 crore. These projects include Manipur urban roads, drainage and asset management improvement project, 5 national highway projects along with the Manipur Infotech development project and also working women hostels at 9 locations. So, my colleague Sabyasachi Roy continues to stay with us. Sabyasachi, now Prime Minister Modi already addressed a gathering in Churachandpur. Help us understand what's next on cards for the Prime Minister.
Well, see, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already addressed the gathering in Churachandpur, and the words were very much clear from Prime Minister Narendra Modi that the central government is going to assist in every possible way to help in the relocation of the internally displaced people. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also acknowledged the fact that how much these 7,300 crore worth project which has been launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Churachandpur is going to put Manipur right at the top as far as the development is concerned. He understands the problems the mothers and sisters had to go through for because of bad roads and water issue. So all these problems were addressed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that in the word Manipur there is the word money, and Manipur will become the center for the Northeast. Now these were the clear words from Prime Minister Narendra Modi while he was addressing the gathering at Churachandpur. Meanwhile, the focus now shifts at Imphal, where at around 2:30 Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be coming here at the Kangla Fort, which is again one of the most important location as far as Meitei history is concerned. It's not only cultural cultural heritage for them, it symbolizes the religion for them because of several temples, sacred ponds which are inside the Kangla Fort, and several Meitei kings have seated in the throne at the Kangla Fort, and in 2004 the government had handed over the Kangla Fort to the state government, before which the Kangla Fort was under the Assam Rifles. Before that it was under the control of the Britishers. Now people in large numbers, you can see on your screen, are heading towards the Kangla Fort to listen to what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said. And in the entire stretch of road from the airport to the Kangla Fort, which is around 7 kilometers, in the entire stretch of road there's huge hoardings of Prime Minister Narendra Modi like that. I'll request my camera person just to show you the hoardings of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which has been put across the road right from the airport to the Kangla Fort. So it is equally important. The tone has been set at Churachandpur. We have seen that the message from the central government has reached out to both the communities, that the central government will in every possible way help in relocation of the internally displaced people, both in Churachandpur as well as in Imphal. Back to you.
Sabyasachi, all eyes will be on Imphal. In fact, as Prime Minister goes, in fact, he's right now on his way. We're getting you live visuals. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his way to Imphal, where he's going to again address a gathering and unveil developmental projects as well. He's headed now to the Kangla Fort. Prime Minister Modi's convoy right now on your screen, where you can see the leader heading from Churachandpur. In fact, now he's headed to Kangla Fort in Imphal. He's also going to inaugurate projects valued at about 1,200 crore in Imphal, and now right now he's headed to the capital. Remember, this comes just after he addressed a gathering at the Peace Ground in Churachandpur, and right now he's on his way from Churachandpur to Kangla Fort in Imphal. News 9 is right now getting you live visuals, in fact. And my colleague Sabyasachi continues to stay with me on this. Sabyasachi, you know, we just heard Prime Minister talk about how connectivity has been a really, part of his focus when it comes to Northeast. And in fact, I was also speaking to Colonel before, and he also mentioned that, you know, ever since 2014, a lot of investment in terms of infrastructure projects has come to the region. So do you think right now Northeast is more closer to New Delhi than it has been before? We will try to connect with my colleague there, but right now we're getting you live visuals as Prime Minister Modi heads from Churachandpur to Imphal. In fact, at Imphal, he's going to again address a gathering at the Kangla Fort. He's also going to inaugurate projects valued at rupees 1,200 crores. So, a packed day for Prime Minister, it seems. It's a part of his Northeast, a big push. And right now, as you can also see on your screen, that the weather condition is not so favorable at this point. It's raining, in fact. But you can also see people lining up the streets. You can also see people lining up the streets with Indian flags, welcoming the Prime Minister.
इन लोग इसको पता है पहले से, हाँ, वो समझकर वो सब समझ गया है वो हमारा मणिपुर का प्रॉब्लम। ये जानकर वो जो कहेगा हम करने के लिए तैयार हो।
That was the reaction we were getting in from on ground. In fact, my colleague Sabyasachi is there. He's talking to people, and the sentiment we're trying to get from the ground is positive. You know, people are really happy, it seems, about this visit. They had high expectations, and I think after the first address, their expectations, seems to be rising. Sabyasachi, what are you picking up from the ground? You see, you were just talking to a few of them. So what's the mood on the ground right now, you know, just after the first address?
Well, that's right. You can see what is the mood on ground because large amount of people carrying the national flag are heading towards the Kangla Fort. You can see on your screen a group of women. I'll request my camera person just to pan around and show you the visuals. You can see carrying the national flag in their hand and heading towards the Kangla Fort. And I have been speaking to a lot of people out here. Some of them are camera shy. An elderly man said that Prime Minister knows that how the people of what the people of Manipur has gone through, and they are hopeful that in his address he is going to give something positive, and that is the reason why this large amount of people are now heading towards the Kangla Fort, hoping that there's going to be something positive for the people of Manipur. And while in Churachandpur, Prime Minister Narendra Modi clearly mentioned that the central government and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will assist the people in every possible way when it comes to relocation. In fact, what is important to note is that the central government has acknowledged the pain that these people had to go through, whether it is in Churachandpur or whether it is in Imphal as well. See, there is mixed reactions. See, some of the people are not happy with the fact. They are enthusiastic, but somewhere they are a little bit optimistic as well because of the time that they had gone through, the violence that they had seen. And this visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi really comes as a hope for the people of Manipur.